Welcome to EDC Ideas. Today I present you 3 micro pocket organizers and what's inside. So most people in the EDC community know the standard sized pocket organizers with all the stuff inside. But sometimes they are too large, too big or too heavy, and that's the reason why I want to present you 3 micro pocket organizers. And for short notice, this is the Admin Flex pouch from 511. There are a lot of reasons why you want to carry a really small and micro-sized pocket organizer like this little Eastpak pouch here. Some reasons are, for example, a lightweight summer carry, or that you want to go lightweight but with a basic kit of tools and EDC gear. When it comes to a small package and a lightweight carry, it's always a compromise. But you have the possibility to carry this one in the pockets of your pants, in the pockets of your jacket. You can throw it in your backpack and you can carry it also as a keychain or a belt loop carry. Let's start with this first little Eastpak pouch here. It's designed for a keychain carry or a belt loop carry with a carabiner. I was looking for a durable tool setup that fits perfectly in this micro pouch here. And you see it in my hand, it's truly a micro pouch. There's also a little bit of room left in this little pouch, but I really like it when the zipper works. Let's take a look inside and start with the first items. I always like to carry a little flashlight, and this one is the Fenix E01 version 2. All in all, it's a great little flashlight from Fenix, high quality, very durable, with 3 different modes. It's always important for me that I can grab the flashlight easily and I don't have to search the flashlight on the bottom of the little pouch. Let's come to the next item. This is my little Mighty Bar. The Mighty Bar is designed as a minimalistic pry bar for EDC, and you can carry this one perfect on your keychain. It's a great little prying tool and I really like the simplistic design. Surely you know the Leatherman mini tool of some of my previous videos. I always like to carry full-sized pliers, especially in an urban environment, and this multi-tool is a perfect choice. You can fold it one time and you have standard-sized pliers with a smaller handle, and you can fold the handle a second time so you have full-sized pliers with a full-sized handle. The Leatherman mini tool works perfect in a combination with a Victorinox model from the 58mm series. This model is the Victorinox Manager. When it comes to an urban environment, I always like to carry a setup with different little screwdrivers, nail care tool, a small blade, scissors and pliers. And this combination is given with this tool set, and I also like the little Victorinox pen here. But we have more useful stuff inside. This little pack here, and there's also duct tape. Let's take a look into this little plastic zipper. I always like to carry a basic first aid kit with this plaster here. And I always like to carry an alcohol pad to disinfect my hands or to disinfect surfaces. And we have also this Dentafloss stick for teeth hygiene. Yes, I've cut the end off. There was no space for the toothpick that is normally here. And I always like to carry this little paper clip to repair things or to improvise a lockpicking set. And let's take a look inside the second Eastpak pouch. It's also a micro pouch, but a little bit bigger than the first pouch, and it's also designed for keychain carry or carry it with a carabiner on your belt loop. Let's start with this pouch. I always like to carry duct tape like in the first pouch before. I have an USB stick, and I always like to carry a flashlight on the top. It's one of my favorite flashlights when it comes to OLED flashlights. I have some quality problems and functionality problems when it comes to this brand, but this little guy works excellent. please make sure when you carry this flashlight that you unscrew the top, because when the pouch is packed too tight, this will happen and you don't have a battery in an emergency situation. The next pouch is also a little hygiene kit. We will come back to this little kit later. And maybe you know that I'm a huge fan when it comes to lockpicking. This is a multi-pick jackknife pocket pick set. It's a high quality pick set and I'm really happy that this pick set fits inside this little pouch here. Let's move on to the gear spool duct tape spool. I always like to carry some meters of duct tape, and so I have this duct tape. This is a high quality duct tape and this is a high quality duct tape. Let's come to one of my favorite permanent markers when it comes to EDC. This is a Stanley version with the fine tip, and it's a little permanent marker in black. You also find, for example, a red, a green and a blue version. And surely I need a multi-tool, and this is a vintage multi-tool from SOC. It's the old version of the SOC Crosscut. This tool includes a blade, tweezers, a set of screwdrivers, a tool for nail care, a toothpick, a combination tool with a bottle opener here, and excellent scissors for EDC. This is nearly the same kit as we see the hygiene first aid and repair kit before, but you find also this safety pins and larger paper clips. What I really like about this discontinued pouch that there are bigger flashlights, for example this Phoenix E12, and the flashlight fits perfectly in. Let's take a look inside this little Jack Wolfskin pouch. I think it's designed as a pouch for a digital camera, but really I'm not sure. I like to throw this little toolkit in my backpack and it's there when I need it. We start with the first tool, and I always carry the Knipex Cobra XS in the belt loop, and it sits very secure. When we have to talk top 10 legendary EDC tools, the Knipex Cobra XS will definitely be in the top 5. It's a micro water pump plier design made in Germany, high quality, an excellent tool. Let's take a look inside. We start with the DMT sharpening stone in the extra fine version. Next one. This is the Leatherman bit kit with the bit adapter for the Phillips head screwdrivers. We move on. We have the little universal key from Knipex. I always like to carry the Victorinox Rambler, and let's go through the different tools of the Victorinox Rambler in combination of the main part of this toolkit, my Leatherman rebar. Sorry that I haven't cleaned the Leatherman rebar before, but yes, it's a user. I love the tool set and I love the price performance ratio when it comes to the Leatherman rebar. There are only some items that are missing when it comes to the Leatherman rebar, and I think the Leatherman rebar and the Victorinox Rambler are the perfect combination. Because I always like to carry a small Phillips head screwdriver, a nail cleaning tool, scissors, tweezers and a toothpick in combination with the tools I have on the Leatherman rebar. And so it's a perfect combination for me and one of my most used EDC combinations. When it comes to these pouches, from time to time I carry an extra knife because I really like to carry knives, and one of my favorites is this Hardkopf 290, because compared to the Buck 112 it's a lot slimmer design, and I carry the micro pouches because I want to go slim and lightweight. And I really like to carry this model too when it comes to a lightweight and a slim design carry. This is the Spyderco Centofante 1. Extremely cool for lightweight carry because of the aluminium body, the lightweight construction, a great pocket clip and a cool blade design for EDC. let's make a little size comparison when it comes to all three pouches. The first Eastpak pouch, you see it compared to the Bug 112, and it's a very, very small pouch. And let's come to the second pouch. You see the bug and the pouch, and you see it here when they are laying on the ground. It's not a high pouch and it's not very wide. And when we compare my toolkit with the Bug 112, you see it here, the toolkit is very, very small too.